Never. Is that right?
That is right.
Yeah. What's that stand for?
It stands for the Department of Never Been Done Before.
Ooh, I like that. So you've been digging into this whole AI workflow for about how long now?
Well, I've been working in AI image generation and video since like the VQGAN days, VQGAN and Disco Diffusion.
Okay.
So I've been doing
Old
that
school.
I've been doing that for a while now, but it wasn't until well, Stable Diffusion came out, Automatic 1111, all that fun stuff. Comfy UI changed the game. That just became a power tool to get control and understanding of how all these AI workflows.
Tell me about what you are doing for the project that you have on display here.
Yeah, so, all right, so the project that we have on display here, which is called Reality Mixer, is a collaboration with Voidz. So Voidz has been a mixed reality artist for a while, doing really, really awesome stuff, really fun things. I've been following him before I met him, and then this turned into this collaboration where we experimented with effectively applying a style transfer to his work, and almost swapping out the render process. And we started to get some really, really nice results. And as we just kept on doing more and more and more, these interpretations became these like fantastical interpretive hallucinations of his mixed reality work, which is already fantastic, hallucinogenic to a certain degree.
Yeah.
You know, what happens when you exaggerate the already exaggerated?
Yeah.
So this is what we've got. We've got a series of his videos that we have created multiple iterations of. And I engaged a friend of mine who I've done a lot of creative technology work, Brent, done some work with him in the past, and he built a wheel that we can basically like it like a turntable to step forward through the various
Through all the different iterations. So you're obviously as excited about all of these AI tools and workflows as I am. Where do you kind of see things heading? Where do you imagine we'll be in the next 6, 9 months, a year time?
I think there's a saying that says anyone who predicts the future is a liar even when they're telling the truth, right?
Let's not predict it. Let's say what you want.
No, I agreed,
Yes.
but I like to preface these ideas because there are a lot of pundits out there, people predicting what's going to go on. I feel like there's a few different things. One, full disclosure, I am an enthusiast and an optimist when it comes to AI. My P-Doom score is low, as they might say.
Same. What's up?
And I think that in the world of animation, art, and so on and so forth, I love that it's democratizing expression. I think there's a lot of people who might not otherwise have talent, for the lack of a better word, to express ideas, but have amazing ideas that deserve to be expressed. And now there's an opportunity to do this.
I really appreciate you jumping up here and sharing with us. Excited to see your piece. Can you actually show me around your piece a little bit?
Absolutely, let's do it.
All right, let's do it.